views. It was insane, bruv. But the other people with the big views on here, they're paying for them via the promotional tool, and they're spending an absolute fortune doing it. Oh well. Mike ain't broke, mate. Mike's working now. All over the news, mate. You're going to have to go and check the news, innit? You're going to have to check the news for the... I've got 14,000 views. How you doing? Good evening.
Good evening.
That's Inked Girl Siobhan. Let's go, guys. Everyone tap screen up and share the live.
Thank you for the follow.
Yes, I was on the news. I had 14,000 people in my live today.
14,
I got all over the news. I don't know, like they said, amazing dancer, Mr. UK TikTok official. He's apparently going to go around the world dancing. I'm all over the bloody news. I had 14,000 people in my live.
Appreciate you, sweetheart.
Right, come on, guys. Everyone tap, everyone share. That's not my Houdini, is it? That's not the Houdini who supports me. So, Houdini, someone's copying your name, mate. Houdini, get in here. Someone's copying your name, bruv. Come on, guys. Everyone tap, everyone share. Someone's copying your name, Houdini. Well, that was insane, mate. I had like 14,000 people in my live, and because I was all over the news, every news channel. But Houdini, get in here because someone's copying your name, mate. There's only one Houdini, bruv, and that's the Houdini that's on my side. It's insane, mate. I was all over the bloody news, like MTV News, Sky News. Thank you, Addison Toms. All over the news, mate. All tap the screen, guys. Where's my super tappers? I'm not happy with this super tapping, mate. We have been on 9 minutes, and it's only 3.5k likes. Thailand News, yeah, all of them, bro. I was literally on every single news channel. Come on, drillers. Come on, guys. Let's start winning. I'm here to win, mate, not bloody lose, bruv. I'm here to win, guys. Come on, drillers. Oh, I didn't know there was a news on the moon, mate. Thanks for letting me know. I was literally on the news on every channel. I can't believe it. And then if I win,
Taco Trevor,
yes,
Casey,
MVP Wayne, tip tips.
Guys, last one.
Sarah Alexander, Vicky Lewis.
Walk away with this win streak. Tap the screens. Let's go together. Let's go together,
Come
guys.
on, guys. Everyone chip with the roses.
Does
Everyone
it again,
chip with the roses. Yes,
literally.
Spencer Gifford. The tables are going to turn, guys. Come on,
This is the last one. No, this
time.
is the last one. This is the last one, trust me. Guys, tap the screens.
Come on, drillers.
Last one, Kev. Last
You
one.
think it's the last one. If I win, it's not.
No, I'm not staying any more than this.
No, you're not playing fair. You're not you're not a fair player.
You can't play the violin with me no more.
It's no violin.
I've been
You're
giving.
not playing fair. If we win, you've got to give us the opportunity. If we don't win, then we don't have the opportunity.
Bro,
You've got to play fair. You've got to play fair, my friend. It's called playing fair.
I'm playing fair.
Yes, if we win, you've got to give us the opportunity to win more.
That doesn't make sense because we're.
Yes, it does. You all do it, mate, because your haters are going to come here, and that's when you're not going to like it.
So you're playing me because you want my haters to come in?
Yes, you've got all my haters over there, bruv.
Is this what this is?
Yes.
This is like a manipulation thing. You come on.
There's no manipulation here, mate. I want to play fair.
Sammy,
I want to play fair.
Really weird.
No TikToker plays
really
fair
weird.
on there.
What you just said there is really weird.
No, it's not at all.
That's
no
very weird.
TikToker on here plays fair.
That's really weird.
No, it ain't. It's called playing fair.
That is really weird.
So, okay, you're getting all my haters gift you, but that's okay.
Bro, what are you going on about?
Come on, guys, freeze the target. Freeze the target. You're not playing fair. Yes, tip tips.
Did I just hear?
You don't
what
get
I
it.
really
It's called fair playing. Brett even agreed. Brett Boy agreed.
I don't come on to battle you to get your haters. I come on to battle you because you're someone to battle. Why are you thinking of it like that? That's really weird, man.
It's called playing fair. If you win 6 games, we should have the opportunity to win 6 games.
No, you're going to lose 12, 24 games, 84 games. You're going to lose all the time.
No, you think? Well, then if we win,
Yeah,
you just said that. If we win now, If we win now,
Let's do the bear love.
if we win
Let's
now,
do the
we
bear love.
carry
Thank
on.
you.
Every game we win, we carry on then. Every game we win, we carry on.
We're not.
Yeah?
No, we're not.
Come on, Drillers.
We're not doing that. Guys, go through the glove. Yes for the flame heart. Yes for the roses. Yes.
Come on, guys.
We ain't doing that. Yes for the roses, guys.
They're not playing fair then.
No, mate, you're moving weird around the app.
No, I'm not.
Kelvin
I'm not.
Spider.
You're not playing fair.
You're moving weird, mate.
No, I'm not.
You battled
You're
me.
not playing
You
fair.
battled me
So you
because
think you can
wanted
win 7
people.
games and I should have the
No,
opportunity to
listen,
win it?
you
Yes,
battled
Kieran
me. No,
James.
listen. Stop talking. Yeah. You're battling me because you want people that dislike me to come and drop on your head.
Yes, 100%. You've got people that are battling that on your side. Are you blocking the people? Are you blocking
Listen,
the trolls that
the
are gifted
people
you?
that are going to drop on your head are not going to drop on you hard because you're not
Really?
worth hard. You
Really?
get 300
Am I not
score.
worth hard? Really?
You get like
Is that what you
100
think,
score
bruv?
a game.
Bruv, who do you
get
think you are on
100
here?
score a game.
No one knows you outside. Who are you?
Bro,
You're not
be
known,
quiet,
bruv.
mate. Be
You're
quiet.
not known, mate.
Do
You're
yourself
known
a
on
favour.
TikTok for getting in the
Do
weekly.
yourself a favour, mate.
You're known on
Do
TikTok.
yourself a
Don't tell me
favour.
to do myself a
Do
favour.
yourself a favour,
You're
mate.
known for getting on TikTok.
Literally,
What?
do yourself a favour.
What do you mean do yourself a favour? What are you trying to
Do
say?
yourself a favour. You're
Huh?
literally on here manipulating
Bruv,
people because you
bruv,
want
listen,
people to
listen,
drop on my head.
listen.
That's strange.
Listen.
Have you not ever
Listen,
thought that's
mate,
strange?
listen. You're
That's
known for being on the
strange.
weeklies. That's
That's
it. Don't tell me no one will gift me, bruv. Yes,
Bro,
Gaza.
people are not going to drop on you because you can't
Why they
pull
not?
big scores.
You said you're not worth it. You said
Listen,
people won't drop
for
on you because you're
people
not
to
worth
beat
it.
me- For people to beat
You
me,
said
listen,
people
hey,
won't drop on
let
you
me
because you're
talk.
not worth it. That's
Listen,
what you just said.
People to beat me, yeah,
You-
they have to.
what?
They
You
have
don't
to
think my people can beat you?
1,000. For people to beat you, they need 100. That's it. That's
What?
literally it. That's literally
What?
it. You only need like 100
You having a
score
laugh?
for someone to beat you.
Really? Are you sure
You're
about
like
that?
this, bro. That's
Really?
why.
No, you're like this,
No,
bro.
yeah.
You're known for being somebody on the weeklies. You're nobody apart from that.
Yeah, and
You're
you're
somebody
known
who
for
probably got
dancing around
mummy and
the
daddy.
street.
You're somebody who probably got mummy and daddy to gift
Yeah.
you there, bruv.
Yeah, of course.
Didn't you?
Of course.
Or you did it yourself.
Can I
Or
ask
you
you a
did it
question?
yourself.
Can I
You
ask you a question?
manipulated the weeklies
How old are
yourself.
you? How old are you?
I don't care how old I am. You
How old are
manipulated
you?
the weeklies yourself.
Mate, how old are you?
I don't care how old I am. Well, what's my age got to do with anything, mate?
Mate, you're literally like 50 years old dancing
I'm
around
not
like
50 years old, mate. You're acting
mate.
like a troll.
You need to sort it out if I'm honest with you. I can't lie.
Did you know you're acting like a troll? And did you know someone took their life because people like
I
you?
can't lie.
Did you?
I can't lie.
Did you know people took their life because people like you?
Bro, I'm not.
Get off my live. Don't play fair, mate. But for people to beat you, you just need 100. How bloody dare he? You're nobody, mate. You're nobody. Up on the weeklies. That's how you're known. I'm known outside. People film me everywhere I go, mate. People film me everywhere I go.
How you doing, mate? Right.
I'm alright, you? Are we going to be nice
No.
today?
We're not
What's
doing four
happened
ways.
here?
We're not doing four ways.
What's
We're not doing
happened
four ways at the
here?
moment.
Four ways. I'm not doing a four-way. No, seriously. People film me everywhere I go, bruv. Who knows you? You're known for manipulating people to gift up to get there. I'm not battling yet, mate.
Hello.
Mate, how you doing, bro?
Not bad, not bad. Do you want to run a one and done?
Yeah, let's have a one and done.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Come on, Villas. Come on, guys.
Ready?
Everyone tap screen share the live.
Stay tuned. What do you mean, Chaz?
Come on, guys. Yes, I was on the TV today, and yes, 14. Yeah, guys, all go listen to Tanya's talk on Spotify as well. Thank you very much. The podcast. Yes, Ruthless, and yes, I was on Tanya's. Yes, I was on the TV today, and I had 14,000 people in my live, mate. Go and have a look at the video. I was all over the news channels everywhere. Even 6ix9ine called me up, mate, and he went, "Oh my God, I've seen you all over the news. I'd like to work with you." And I was like, 6ix9ine, bruv, who are you, bruv? Get off my phone, mate. All over the TV. Come on, drillers. Everyone tap screen share the live. Come on, guys. Let's go, drillers. Let's win this one, guys. I don't know who 6ix9ine is, mate. He called me up. I don't know. Some rapper from America. Yes, JR Goat. I'm good, bruv. I'm good, JR Goat Army, mate. Good, but fuming. Let's go, drillers. Somebody. How dare he call me small and go like that? Yes, Soph. How dare it? Apparently, JR, people just need 100 to beat us. That's what he was saying. Come on, guys. 4's the target, guys. Let's hit the targets. Let's hit up those targets, drillers. Come on. Let's hit up the targets. Come on, guys. Yes, Soph. Come on. What? 3 more, guys. 3 more. 3 more, guys. 3 more. Guys, 3 more roses. Come on, drillers. Yes, Danny Hyman. Danny Hyman in the building. 2 more, guys. Let's hit that 2 more roses. Come on, guys. Yes, Jenny. 1 more. Quick time. Quick time. Oh, Gavin, mate, just out of time. I swear they're stopping you sending the roses or something. Because you're sending them. I swear you're not being able to send them. Yes, Gavin and Anthony. Come on, drillers. Come on, guys. Show them what time it is. Let's go. Saying it could beat the bloody. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We need to fight back. Come on, drillers. Come on, drillers. Oh, bloody hell, this guy's got smoke, mate. Don't know if we'll come back from that, but this guy's got smoke. Come on, guys. Everyone tag, everyone share, please. Come on, guys. Everyone tag, everyone share. See, his true colours came out. He started going, you're small time and you're this and that. He was acting a bit like a troll. And somebody took their life the other day because of trolling. He goes, how old are you, mate? You're nearly 50. Being like, he says exactly what trolls say. And he was like, you're small time. And somebody nearly took their life because of that. Telling you're a nobody and that and stuff like that. Someone nearly took their life. No, they did. They took their life the other day. And that's that he proved what he's like. He's battling me because he thinks the battles are easy. And he knows he's going to get gifted by the haters. He knows. He's going to get gifted by the haters. And somebody, like the other day, mate, seriously, your actions were disgusting. You're a nobody. You're making someone try and feel really, really like you're small, mate. You're nobody. I didn't say to you, you said it to me first. And then I came back at you, bruv, because you are a nobody on here. You're somebody who gets up in the weekly. Do you think that makes you somebody? Because you're up there. That make you a nobody, mate. Come on, drillers. Come on, guys. Everyone share, please. No, they did. He started it. All I was saying about being fair. You're moving weird because you want me to be fair. Nah, mate. You're getting gifted a lot by my haters, and then when the tables want to turn, nah, I'm not having it. Somebody nearly took their somebody did take their own life. A creator on here took their own life from trolling, and the way he acted, I'm not feeling that great today as well. And the way he acted really made me feel really low and bad. I was feeling quite up, and he made me feel bad. He goes, "You're nearly 50, you know." Like, nah, he's being really out of order. That's not nice, seriously. Nah, I want an apology, mate, because you are a nobody on here in those weeklies. Getting either mummy and daddy money to.
Right, we're going to battle now. Who's this? Seriously, you know what I mean? Daisy, do you watch the FYP sometimes? I was all over the bloody news, all over the news in the morning. It was insane. MTV News, all the news channels. Even GMTV have emailed me as well. I'll be on GMTV show soon as well. Make sure you go listen to Tanya's talk on Spotify, guys. It's the podcast of how we've been horribly trolled on here. And who I was just on with, joined them.
Hello, how are you doing?
Good, thank
Would
you.
you like a battle?
Yeah, let's have one.
Let's have a battle.
Yeah, let's
Let's
do
go,
it.
guys. Come on, guys. Let's try and win this.
Ska andar mula Ustaz Numar.
Come on, guys. Everyone tap screen share live. How do you know how old she is, mate? Do you know her? Do you know her personally? Come on, drillers. Well, I'm not going to lie, Mike, but you look about 60 odd. So how do you know her? You look about 80 more, 80. So how do you know her, Mike? Not been messaging her, have you? Come on, drillers. Come on, guys, let's go. Let's win this. Look, stop looking so shocked. How long have you been on this app? Stop falling for what they're putting in the live. How long have you been on this app? You know what I mean? Come on, drillers.
Mike, you look about 80 odd. How do you know she's 16? You ain't been messaging her, have you? You ain't been messaging her, have you, mate?
Oi,
How you
buddy.
doing, mate, right?
Oi, yeah, how are you?
Come on, drillers. Everyone tap screen and share the live. Come on, guys. Guys, this is getting pathetic. Like, I really don't know what's happening with the drillers and why we're not, like, literally winning. It's true. He did. He said you're nearly 50. You're about this small on this app, mate. You're a nobody. I'm such a nobody, mate, that when I go out, people ask for my pictures, want to do pictures with me, want videos with me, but I'm a nobody. Do you think you're somebody just because you're up in the weeklies and you've got money? So obviously, only if you've got money, guys, you're a somebody. If you're not up in the weeklies, then you're a nobody. That's what he said. That's what he means, mate. Because mummy and daddy gifted him up there. I'm not saying his name, Roxy. But I can't believe, like, we should be winning, drillers. Come on. Like, what is going on? Yesterday we were smashing it. Yesterday we were smashing it. And today, like, you know what I mean? I even do the supportive videos. I do everything. And
It's crazy. No, I was right. Bruv, you having a laugh. No one knows who that person is, bruv. Nobody. Oh, no, they are, mate. No one battling you, bruv, with your 53 followers. No one battling you, mate, with your 50.
you all right, Eddie? How you doing, mate?
I'm doing all right.
Mate, guys, make sure you go and listen to Tanya's talk on Spotify. The podcast of how we've been trolled on it. It tells you everything. No, he's not. How can you say he's 7? You don't look 7 to me. Apparently you're 7, mate. Someone's in my life saying you're 7. Are you 7?
Double tap the screen.
No, he's not 7 because he don't look 7 to me. Someone's in the life saying you're 7. God, the pathetics.
Big loves, everybody. Everybody double tap the screen for me.
Come on, Drillers. All tap screen share live, please.
Everybody double tap the screen. Double tap the screen.
Come on, guys.
Everybody double tap the screen for me. Double tap the
We were
screen.
doing so so good yesterday, guys.
Big up nearly
Where is
famous. Thank
everyone?
you so much, mate, for coming in. Yes, nearly
Come
famous.
on.
Yes, I'm good, mate. I am good.
Come on, Drillers.
Big loves,
No,
everybody.
they're not. No, they're not. I was getting a lot of support yesterday. I am famous, mate. Come on, Drillers. Come on. Exactly. Tappy wappy the screen, guys.
Let's go, everybody double tap the screen for me.
Why do you know how much 80k diamonds is Greeny NMC? Come on, guys. Everyone tap the screen, guys. Tap the screen. Thank you, live clips. Thank you, live clips, bruv.
Big loves, everybody. Big loves,
Come on,
moderators.
Drillers. Come on, guys.
We need 4. Can we get 4?
Yes, live clips. Come on, guys. We need 4. Come on, Drillers.
Can we get 3? Can we get 2?
Come on, guys. We need 3 more. 3
Come on,
more.
people. We need 2. We need 1. Let's go, people. Can we
Oh,
get 1?
thank you. Thank you, S. Thank you, mate.
Big loves,
Thank you,
everybody.
sure,
Big loves, big loves.
2 more, guys. 2 more, Drillers.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everybody.
Bear G. Thank you, Bear G. Oh, the Drillers have done it. Yes, G. Yes, Roxy.
Let's go,
Come on,
people. Don't
Drillers. Turn
let
up.
them take us. Don't let them take us.
Let's go with the
Come on,
doubles,
on the
guys.
double,
Come
on
on.
the double, people. On the
Yes,
doubles.
G. Go on, G.
Let's go,
Yes,
people.
G.
On the doubles,
Yes,
on the doubles.
Roxy. Come on,
Let's
Drillers.
go.
Yes, G. Yes, Roxy.
Let's go. Come on,
Come
with
on,
the
guys. We need to drop. We
confetti.
need to drop on the doubles.
Come on with the hot
Yes, G. Come on, guys.
big loves.
Let's drop on the doubles. Yes, G. Yes, Stuart. We need to drop
Yes,
on the
people.
doubles, guys.
Yes, please. Come on. Don't let them take this.
Come on, guys. We need to come back. Yes, Stuart. Yes, G.
Big loves, everybody.
Come on, guys. We ain't lost yet. Yeah. Come on, Drillers. Bruv, you got 80 followers. You're laughing at me. I don't think so. And you've got about 1,000 followers, bruv. And you got 0 followers, mate.
Let's go, people. Just keep it going.
Good luck.
Thank you for the follow.
Come on, guys. We're going to need a snipe.
Thank you, everybody, for the follow.
Look at him with his 310 followers. You're nobody, bruv. Come
Thank
on.
you for having me.
Thank you, 4 doors. Oh, all right, Eddie. See you later, mate. Take care, bruv.
Not a problem.
I'm muting good comments too. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Daisy. Do you know how to get followers? Lol. With your picture ain't working, mate. 17. Bye. Oh, it's Mr. 309 followers and he's following 3,000 people, by the way, guys. You ain't gonna make it on here, bruv. Here's a zoo, actually, not a farm, mate. Here's a zoo. You don't get lions. You don't get lions on a farm. Here's a zoo. The zoo was good, actually. I had a good time at the zoo, I'm not gonna lie. Good time. Yeah, it was nice, and it lost and confused. It was nice, weren't it? Lost and confused. We need to get on with somebody and have good battles, man. These battles are going shocking. Yes, Trappy 03, mate. We need to have some good battles, mate. Seriously. See, if that person's a nobody in here, stop coming in bigging up someone in my life. It's boring. It doesn't do anything for the person, mate, and it's boring. I know I was on the news, mate. I know, bruv. I'll actually have some cornflakes, maybe. Maybe, innit? Have some cornflakes. Oh, I was on the news, mate.
How you doing?
Hello, Ken. You okay?
Yeah. What was wrong with you in the morning? Why was you like, oh, da 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 da?
What, this morning?
Yeah. You were a bit umpy. You umpy in the morning?
No, I had no problem. I want funny we are.
No, just because I was bigging you up saying you was on the news and you go, no, I wasn't.
Oh, no, basically this morning I went on with Tommy and he said he's got like 21k and I was like, no, you haven't. And next minute I went from like 300 to like, what, 22? Like, And then people were saying it's fake and they were saying they've been on with you before me, it was. And then he's tried to do Gemma.
I didn't go on with him. I've blocked him. I don't ever go on with that person. I've blocked him.
Well, it's happened to Miss Red and all. Like, something's happened on TikTok. Like, the people are saying you can pay for it. But I never paid for it. I just went on with Tommy and my viewers went thousands and it lasted for about 20 minutes and it went back down.
Yeah, I don't go on live with that person. I blocked him, mate. But yeah. Like same here, I had 17,000 in my live.
Mental.
I don't know. How you been anyway?
Yeah, I'm alright. Thank you.
Come on, guys, everyone's happy to share live. You know, I'm alright, mate, you know. It was really good yesterday. I had a really good, I was gifted like about 70k yesterday, so it was a good day.
What?
Yeah. JR Goat Army went ham, so did King Elvis. Yes, Rob, thank you, Robert. The drillers really did turn up yesterday. I was shocked, man. It's still hard to get in these weeklies, bro. I'm not going to lie.
Thank you, babe.
Bloody hell. Are
Thoughts
you in the
on
weeklies?
Sonia? Yeah, I love her in Big Brother. She's so
Queen,
funny.
live. Two more,
Thank
guys.
you.
Are you in the weeklies?
No, I'm not in the weekends, but I was in the Super League. But I've come off it.
Oh, I don't know.
Thank you, Vegas. Come on, guys.
Alpha-
One more, please. Can we please
Alpha-
get back on that board, guys?
Come on, guys.
please?
Two more. Two more drillers. 2 roses. Come on, MK Charlie Club. Come on, Screen Tapper. Thank you, Macca. Thank you,
Guys,
No
these
TV
are the ones
License.
to get back on the Super League if you can. Thank you, Brian.
Come on, drillers.
Thank you, mate. 40 seconds to go. Guys, if you could...
Come on, guys. Let's go, drillers. Yes, Green Tapper. Come on, bruv. Yes, Adele. Yes, Kellyanne. Come on, guys. Let's use the doubles, guys. Use the doubles, guys. Use the doubles, everyone. Use the doubles, drillers. Come on. Come on, drillers. Use the doubles. I need to get some cornflakes. Jake, I'm just getting some cornflakes. Thank you, Fidget, mate. Hi, Jake, mate. Just getting some cornflakes. Did you see me on the news, bruv? All over it, mate. Come on, guys. Everyone take everyone share. Yeah, snipe if you can, Jake, bruv. Thank you. I need to get some. I'm just getting some cornflakes. No, I was definitely on it, Macca, bruv. I was definitely on it. All block that account, guys. Kev's Lube or something. Block it. Because it's going around threatening people. And we know it is. And we know you're a police informant, mate. I'm going to make a massive complaint. Something ain't right. You should have been arrested ages ago. Something's a bit iffy. Something smells wrong. Especially when I got an email saying you're going to be arrested. I'm on tonight. Come on, drillers. That's what we want as well, guys. That's what we want as well. I was on the news. All over it. Come on, guys. That's Raymond. And that was on the news, mate. No, definitely on there. My family told me. Yes, Barbell Rob. I'm not sure. I'm not in the mood for talking. I'm on, guys. They won't tell you, mate. CNN News, ITV News, MTV News, all of them, mate. BBC News. Yes, Big T. Go on then. Thank you, Bob. Bob. Thank you, Big T. Come on, Drillers. Come on, guys. Three more. Yes, Big T. Come on, guys. Keep tapping, keep sharing. Yeah, that's right, man. I was on the CV. Yes, Big T. Come on, Drillers. Answer what, Big T? Come on, guys. What question above? I'm looking. No, I can't see one, mate. You'll have to say it again. You'll have to say it again, Big T. You'll have to say it again, Big T. Come on, guys. Everyone share, please. Yes, Big T. Snipe, guys. I can't see nothing, Big T. I can't see nothing, Big T, mate. Come on, Drillers. Start fighting back. Where's all the super tappers as well? Come on, guys. Everyone share. Yes, Ellie. Well, yes, Ellie Ann. You have to have a look on MTV News, GMTV News, Sky News, all the news channels. Just try and find it, innit? I found it. Oh, why do I perform on the street? Because it's something I love doing, and people outside love it as well, mate. Come on, Drillers. Exactly, and confidence is key. You're right, MK Charlie Club. Come on, guys. Thank you, ITV News. guys. I'm gonna post it later. Come on, guys. Come on, drillers. Oh, I was. Stop being jealous, Harry. We know you've only got 528 followers and you think you should be a sunbid on here, but you're not. Let's go, guys. That's all right, MK. No worries. Can someone send me them? Someone send me them on Instagram or something. Yeah, go and check Coop and get them over to me.
Thank you, user. Thank you, mate. Thank you, user, bruv. I want to see him now. I want to see what he was allowing. Can you send them to me on Instagram? Send me the comments on Instagram what he was allowing. Well, there must be a reason you're blocked on Insta, mate. And you won't be being unblocked. Really? Send them now. Send me them on Instagram now. Come on, someone send me them, please. Send me those comments that were on his live. Think you what? Hold on. You think you're blocked?
Hello, my friend.
Hello, mate.
My friend, where are you from?
The UK. What about you? I was on the news today.
1 minute.
I was on the news. I had 17,000 people in my live.
No.
I was all over the news, mate.
Guys, everybody top.
True. Come on, guys. Don't know, mate. All I know is the family was shouting, Kev, you're on the news, Kev, you're on the news. So I didn't really see it because I was on live at the time, but I had 70,000 people in my live. Yes, Live Clips 22. You might be able to find it, Coops. I don't know, bruv. Yes, Cooper. Come on, where are the super tappers at, guys? Where are the super tappers at? Yeah, check the TV, mate. I was on the news, bruv. Also went to the zoo today. It's another dumb person pulled up on with. Look at his face looking at the comments, and it's another dumb person. Look. Is he
Hey,
doing it
what
on
doing
purpose?
for baby?
Are you
What
doing it
doing?
on purpose, mate? No, Paul, I'm getting annoyed now, mate. Look, he's sitting there, right, and going like this at the comments, and he knows what he's doing. He's going like this, look.
Hey, what doing, guys? What doing?
Like, Paul, his eyes are like this, look. He's probably been on the app a really long time. He's like
Guys,
this, look.
hey,
He's
what
like this, look.
doing? What do?
How long you been on TikTok, mate?
Really?
About 1 second.
Really, Wisdom? The man
How long
doing
you been on
this?
TikTok? About 1 second, bro. Look
Hey,
at the way he's looking.
welcome.
You know, he's looking, Paul. He's looking like he's getting because he wants to get
The man
gifted.
crazy.
What's the matter, mate? You want to be gifted?
The man crazy,
Are
guys.
you playing
Really?
to the trolls because you want to be gifted, mate?
Oh my gosh.
She's going, my God. What are you
Oh
going, oh my God,
gosh.
mate? You believe words when they're just said?
Who now?
Come on, Wayne. Go on, Wayne, bruv. Wayne's in the building. Go on, Wayne, mate. Take on the trolls and take them down, Wayne, bruv. Because I know they've messaged you before. Finish them, Wayne. Yeah, I do. I do remember someone took their own life over trolling. I'm getting trolled hardcore. Claire. Yeah, they made a fake case. Yeah, I know. MK Charlie, they made a. Can you report it? And please, I'll give you the details to say who it is. Please report it to the police, and you must say it's the same person. I'm going to tell you who it is. I'll give you the address, everything. And I'm not trolling the guy I'm battling. Please tell me I'm trolling the guy I'm battling when he's looking at the comments and going like that. Yeah, no, MK, I'll give you the details. Please report it to the police. Do an online report. You know what I mean? Dirty scum.
I don't know. Where's your? Surely you've got more than that.
How's it going, mate?
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Who's
How's
this?
it going, mate? You alright, mate?
Kizzy's. Never heard of him. Come on, let's just go, guys.
Never ever heard of Eminem.
I was on the news. Yes, I was. Yes, I was, Cows. I got 70,000 people in my live as well. Yes, Tony James, thank you. Yes, Tony James. Yes, Callum Hill. Yes, Tony James. Yeah. 17,000, Yasmin. Tony James. Yes, Callum Hill.
Trust me. Have you been all day?
You what, mate? How you doing?
Yeah, not bad.
And so you haven't been on yet. Have you been on all day or not?
No, I've been secretly hating on everyone and angry.
Why?
Just think bare people on TikTok are snakes, bruv, and then my whole real world is just falling to pieces. But apart from that, financially, I'm on the right track. That's an up. That's an up.
All right, then, isn't it?
That's an up.
I did all right. Yes, I did all right yesterday. I got dropped about 70k, innit?
Have you ever really found out, that you've helped someone that's really fallen off heavy, and then they've got themselves in a good position, and then you feel like that was you that did that for them?
Who was that? Who was that?
Just no names. I just feel like I help a lot of TikTokers that never really come back round and just show me a bit of love.
That ain't me, mate. Because I remember when you was telling me you was in trouble. When I said
talking about you,
I sent you 100. I sent you 100
I'm
pounds.
talking about him. I'll have a laugh.
17,000 people in my life today in the morning.
I'm not talking about you. You had 20,000. I see the live. I see it.
See? Yeah, I was on the news everywhere, mate. MTV News, Sky News, all the news channels. Even 6ix9ine gave me a call. I told him, who are you, 6ix9ine?
Doing really well for you. Did you see someone else that they got 28,000 people in their live yesterday?
Yeah, but they might have had 28,000, but they didn't have the news. They weren't on the news, mate. I was all over the news, so. Oh, and do you know, right? Do you know these big creators that are getting loads of views, by the way? Yeah. So I was live with Chelsea today, right? Yeah. She had 2.1k in her live. Not one person from that live came over to, not one. I didn't have one. So they're buying the view, like they're buying their views to look the biggest on here, and it's working for them.
Yeah.
Well, all these people, but the other people that are probably buying bots or whatever, they're going to mess up TikTok because people are now going to think there's never that many in the live.
Yeah, it makes sense. I don't really get that many views.
Surely TikTok, if anyone was on this app to be found to be trying to, and you've got evidence of it, trying to bot people's accounts, surely they'd be banned, wouldn't they? So if I've got evidence of it and I send it to TikTok, that somebody botted someone, surely they'd be banned, wouldn't they? Surely they would be like banned from this app for good.
I couldn't see what's wrong with it.
It's because you're not allowed to do it.
Why? Who said this?
If your intention was to buy the bot so that person's account would get banned.
Why would they get banned?
I mean,
I don't know why they would get banned for false bots. I think most lives are botted up.